Subscribe. Add soaked Chanay ki dal. 3 glass water. Add 1 tablespoon salt. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Add half medium-sized onion, 8 garlic cloves. Cook it for 30 minutes on medium flame. Mix it well. Cook it for 10 minutes on medium flame. Mix it well. Add 1 medium-sized tomato. Mix it well. Cook it for 5 minutes on medium flame. Beat it for 2 minutes. Add 1 medium-sized Loki for green chilies, mint. Add 1 glass water. Mix it well. Cook it for 10 minutes on medium flame. Mix it well. Add onion, zira in ghee for bagar. Mix it well. Let's dish out. Ready. Subscribe. Hope you like it.